In a health alert tonight, a controversial topic. More Arizona parents choosing not to vaccinate their children. So many, in fact, that the state says a measles outbreak would put thousands of young kids at risk. ABC 15's Justin Pizzera joining us from Phoenix tonight.
No, there's nothing. I would go to jail before vaccinating my baby.
Kayla is just one parent in Arizona opting not to vaccinate her child. Little Theo, her youngest, hasn't had one shot.
A lot of people think we're just anti-vaccine, and that's not the case. We were pro-vaccine until this happened to our children.
Kayla says her oldest and middle child both had what's referred to as a vaccine injury, a fact she says her children are still dealing with to this day. So this mom says she's playing it safe with Theo and skipping the shots. Well, she's not alone. Arizona's Department of Health Services says they're seeing more parents than ever filing for non-medical exemptions. The latest numbers show in the 2017 school year, more than 7,000 students were exempt from every school-required vaccine. Charter schools have the most exemptions, followed by private, then public schools.
These diseases really are only a plane ride away. It just takes an infected person from another country entering in the United States.
Jessica Rigler is with the Department of Health Services. She says even though we don't hear about them, diseases are still running rampant in other countries, things like polio and the measles.
They're not circulating anymore because we've had such great vaccination levels across the state and the country.
But the state is worried if vaccination rates fall below 95%, which it has in some communities, it could be dangerous. Queen Creek and Fountain Hills have the most exemptions in the valley, followed by South Scottsdale, North Mesa, and Apache Junction. Maryvale, Estrella, and Glendale had next to none. Kayla says she's glad to see more parents opting not to vaccinate.
I'm happy that people are waking up and doing their own research and questioning their physicians.
In Phoenix, Justin Pizzera, ABC 15, Arizona.
The State Department of Health Services does stand behind vaccines, saying they're safe and effective in protecting against disease.
Covering